Good morning, sir. This is reporting of Group 4 presented by John Christopher Onesa, Mark Neil Plana, John Christian Magbanwa, and Carlos Villanueva. Our topic is motorcycle engine overhauling, reconditioning, tune-up. First is, what is engine overhauling, reconditioning, tune-up? Engine overhauling refers to completely disassembling an engine, inspecting it for wear and tear. Replacing or reconditioning parts is needed. Reconditioning involves restoring engine parts to their original or close to original specification without full replacement. Tune-up refers to a series and adjustment and repair done to the engine to maintain its optimal performance. Number 2. Importance of engine maintenance. Ensures the engine runs smoothly, preventing breakdowns, extends the life of the motorcycle, improves fuel efficiency and performance. Number 3 is tools and equipment for disassembling and assembling engine parts. Essential tool for engine disassembly. Wrench and socket sets, used for loosening bolts and nuts.
Tools and equipment for disassembling and assembling engine parts. Torque wrench. Ensure bolts are tightened to manufacturer specification. Tools and equipment disassembling and assembling engine parts. Screwdriver. For removing screw on cover and smaller engine parts.
Tools and equipment for disassembling and assembling engine parts. Plier and needle nose plier for gripping and pulling out small parts.
Tools and equipment for disassembling and assembling engine parts. Engine hose. Lifting equipment used to remove the engine from the frame. Tools and equipment for disassembling and assembling engine parts. Crankshaft puller and piston ring compressor. Special tools for safety handling delicate engine parts. Method of removing engine from the vehicle. Preparation. Disconnect the battery. This prevent any electrical shock or short circuit. Drain fuel. Drain oil, coolant, and fuel to avoid spill and contamination during removal. Disconnection process. Exhaust system. Remove exhaust pipe and header that might obstruct the engine removal. Fuel system. Disconnect fuel line and any sensor. Mount and connection. Unbolt the engine mount and remove the wiring harnesses. Lifting the engine. Use an engine hose to safely lift the engine out of the motorcycle frame. Ensure the engine is balanced during lifting to prevent damage.
Cleaning and disassembling the engine. Cleaning the engine. Degreasing. Use degreasers to remove grease and dirt accumulated on the engine. This makes it easier to spot worn or damaged parts. Solvent bath. For soaking smaller parts like valves and piston to remove built-up carbon. Compressed air. Dry the parts thoroughly to avoid rust. Order of disassembly. Begin by removing the external components, then gradually work inwards. Valves, pistons, crankshaft. Label parts. Keep a proper record of parts and their placement to avoid confusion during assembly. Safety consideration. Wear gloves and goggles to protect from the chemicals and sharp parts. Measuring tools. Micrometers. Used to measure the thickness and diameter of parts like piston and cylinder bores to detect wear. Measuring external and internal parts. Dial indicators. To measure any deviations in rotating parts like crankshaft, ensuring they are not warped or worn out. Bore gauge. For checking cylinder bore wear. Common cause of abnormal wear to engine parts. Lack of proper lubrication, insufficient oil or improper oil change. Intervals lead to metal parts rubbing against each other causing wear. Overheating. Engine overheating can cause parts to warp, crack, or size up. Low quality fuel. Poor
Poor fuel quality leads to carbon buildup and engine knock, accelerating wear. Inconsistent maintenance. Neglecting routine maintenance like air filter change, spark plug replacement, and valve adjustment can lead to engine damage over time. Improper tuning. Ignition timing or carburetor settings can cause the engine to run efficiently, leading to faster wear. Determining worn out engine parts. Visual inspection. Look for scoring cracks or pitting on critical parts like the cylinder walls, pistons, and crankshaft. Measuring for wear. Use micrometers and calipers to check parts like piston rods and bearings for sign of wear. Signs of worn parts. Excessive play in the connecting rods or crankshaft. Scratches or scoring on piston or cylinder walls. Crack or fractures on engine components like valves or the crankcase. Assembling and tightening engine parts. Reassembly process. Follow manufacturer's manual. Always refer to the manual for correct reassembly procedures. Start with the crankshaft. Install the crankshaft and connecting rods followed by the piston. Valves and timing components. Install the timing change, camshaft, and valve assemblies next. Assembling and tightening engine parts. Torque specification. Use a torque wrench to tighten bolts to the specific torque values outlined in the service manual to prevent damage to the parts. Final checks. Double checks that all parts are assembled correctly and all fasteners are tight. Sealant application. Sealant types. Gasket sealant used for sealing engine gaskets. RTV silicone sealant for sealing areas like the timing cover or oil pan.
Sealant application. How to apply sealant. Clean the surface. Ensure all surfaces are clean and free from oil, dirt before applying sealant. Apply in thin layers. A small bed is sufficient. Over application can result in sealant squeeze out and clogging. Let it sit. Allow sealant to set up per instruction before disassembling parts. Purpose of sealant. Ensures that there are no leaks and that the engine remains sealed under high pressure condition. Rechecking for testing. Compression test. A compression test checks the integrity of the engine's cylinder and valves. Low compressions indicates worn piston, rings, or valves. Oil pressure test ensures that oil system functioning properly and that there are no blockage in the oil passage. Visual leak check. Inspect areas around gasket and seals for any signs of leaks after the engine is started. Running the engine. Let the engine run at the idle speed to ensure all systems are working. Checking for abnormal noises or vibrating. Engine tune-up. Spark plug replacement. Replace old worn out spark plugs with new ones to ensure optimal ignition. Carburetor fuel system cleaning. Clean the carburetor jets and fuel lines to prevent clogging to ensure smooth fuel delivery. Valve adjustments. Adjust the valve clearance to ensure proper engine timing and performance. Timing and ignition check. Check it. Adjust ignition timing to ensure optimal combustion. Benefits of tune-up. Improves engine performance, fuel efficiency, and reduce emission.